Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to level up your Google Slides game in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling how to make columns in Google Slides, a super handy skill for creating polished, professional presentations. Whether you're a student organizing notes, a teacher designing lessons, or a business pro pitching ideas, columns can make your slides more readable and visually appealing. Let's dive right in. First things first. Open up Google Slides and create a new presentation or edit an existing one. Start by selecting the slide where you want to add columns. One of the easiest ways is to use the built-in table feature. Click on Insert in the top menu, then hover over Table and choose the number of rows and columns you need. For example, if you want 2 columns, select a 1x2 table to keep it simple. Once your table is inserted, you can resize it by dragging the corners or adjusting the column widths. Just click and drag the lines between the columns to make them even or customized. If you're dealing with text specifically, another method is to insert multiple text boxes. Go to Insert again, select Text Box, and add as many as you need side by side. Then, arrange them by dragging them into position and aligning them using the guides that appear. Pro tip for 2025. Google Slides has some updated layout options. Check under Slide greater than Layout to see if there's a pre-made template with columns. If you're using a lot of text, remember to format it nicely. Use the Format options to adjust fonts, colors, and spacing for a clean look. One common mistake is overcrowding columns, so keep your content concise to avoid overwhelming your audience. There you have it. With these steps, you can easily add columns to make your presentations stand out. Practice this on your next project, and you'll see how it transforms your slides. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.